Hey there, I'm Hannah, your friendly Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I've got an essential Excel trick for you. Ever typed a phone number or product ID starting with 0, only to see Excel instantly remove it? Ugh, so frustrating. That happens because Excel treats numbers as numbers, and numbers can't start with 0. But don't worry, I'll show you 4 easy ways to keep those leading zeros exactly where they should be. Let's get started. If you only need to enter a few numbers, the fastest way is to force Excel to treat them as text using an apostrophe. Here's how. Click into a cell and type an apostrophe before your number. Excel will now keep the 0, and you'll notice a small green triangle in the corner of the cell. That triangle is just Excel telling you, hey, this looks like a number, but you saved it as text. Which is exactly what we want, so you can ignore the warning. When to use this method? If you're only dealing with a few numbers. But for large datasets, let's check out some better options. Instead of adding an apostrophe every time, we can tell Excel beforehand to treat our data as text. Here's how. Select the cells where you'll enter your numbers. Go to the Home tab. Click the Number Format drop-down. Choose Text. Now, whenever you type a number with leading zeros, like 00123, Excel keeps the zeros automatically. Again, you might see that small green triangle, but you can safely ignore it. When to use this method? If you're entering a list of phone numbers, product IDs, or zip codes, and want Excel to handle them correctly from the start. If you're generating numbers automatically, like an order list or invoice numbers, a formula is the best approach. Let's say you want to number rows from 001 to 999, always keeping 3 digits. We can do this using the right function, equals right, open parentheses, double quote 00, ampersand, row of A1, close parentheses, comma, 3. How it works. This section adds 2 extra zeros before the row number. This right section ensures that only the last 3 characters are kept. Steps to apply this formula. Enter the formula in the first cell. Press Enter. Drag the fill handle down to apply it to more rows. When to use this method? If you're auto-generating IDs, serial numbers, or invoice numbers that need a consistent format. If you want to display leading zeros without changing the actual number, custom formatting is your best friend. Here's how. Select the column or cells where you want to apply leading zeros. Press Ctrl+1 or right-click Format Cells. Go to the Number tab and select Custom. In the Type box, enter the number of zeros you need. For 3-digit numbers, type 000. For 5-digit numbers, type 00000. Click OK, and Excel automatically adds leading zeros when needed. Example. If you type 7, Excel will display it as 0-0-7. If you type 42, Excel will display it as 0-4-2. If you type 123, Excel will display it as 123, because it already has 3 digits. When to use this method? If you want numbers to look like they have leading zeros, but still behave like numbers for calculations. Custom formatting is great for things like invoice numbers, employee IDs, and zip codes, where you want numbers to appear correctly, but still be usable for sorting or calculations. Now you know 4 powerful ways to keep those leading zeros exactly where they belong. Which method do you think you'll use the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I've got plenty more Excel tips and tricks coming your way, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.